Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to make an Oslon mask. You will need 2 hair ties, and you'll need about half a yard of fabric. Let's get started. Begin by pinning your fabric and cutting out 2 of each piece of the pattern. Next, take your face piece and sew a seam connecting the 2 pieces together down the center. Do the same for your mouthpiece. Take your 2 cheek pieces and sew a 1/2 inch hem down the side of each piece. Do the same also for your mouthpiece you just sewed. Next, you're going to take your mouthpiece and your face piece, and you're going to take the 2 fabrics so both good sides of the fabrics are facing each other. You're going to inlay your mouthpiece to your face piece, and it should start to look like this. Then pin these pieces together. Next, take your cheek pieces and pin them to the rest of the face pieces, overlaying the mouthpiece. Sew all the way around the edge of your whole face mask. Afterwards, flip your face mask inside out and get ready to attach your hair ties. Next, take your face mask and fold a 1/2 inch fold with your hair tie inserted inside. Pin it together and make sure to sew down this one seam. Do this for both sides of your face mask. Afterwards, cut off any loose threads and you have now finished and made your own personal Oslon mask. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thanks for joining us. Take care.